All right, guys. So I wanted to go over the latest swing positioning because we obviously did have a very large move over the past 24 hours to the downside. So first, let's take a look at total three because I think this chart is very telling. I've been talking about this for maybe close to a month now, and we're looking at the resistance at 1.16 trillion on total three. And since then, we have been, we tested it a few times over the past week or 10 days. But yesterday, this is a pretty obvious rejection for me. This doesn't mean that, alts are dead or altcoin season is not coming, but for now, it's probably going to be delayed again, at least, at least in my view or my perspective. So what I would be looking at is, we do have a lot of buying and selling activity that occurred in this region in various tokens. So I would expect this area to, act as support. And this is like a very large, it's almost called this an order block. Of course, this is like the total three market cap chart. So, this doesn't really represent like like an order block by the technical definition. But regardless, we should find some support here for most altcoins. Like I would doubt we have like another big down day tomorrow. I think we'll get a relief bounce just because a lot of alts are down close to double digits and more. But yeah, I would continue to watch this chart and especially watch the $1 trillion level. Like I would, if we do get down there in the next coming weeks, I would expect this area to act as support, and that would be a good, I guess, refuel or refill area for your spot bags on some altcoins. So it's more of a macro view. Let's actually get to the positioning. So let's start off the losers, get those out of the way. So Ace, obviously this one was stopped out. So we entered on this candle right here, and it's not plotted here, but it's based on the 200-day moving average being here, and I was expecting a bounce from here. Now, obviously, the bounce didn't happen. So to get stopped out on this one, so taking take a loss on this one. Also taking an L on Solana. Now I actually did go over this in the live stream yesterday. So it's basically, once it broke above like 244, I was expecting a pullback back down to these highs at around, let's call it like 240. But we were rejected even on Friday, so I did recommend people to exit this early. Like yesterday evening before before the big sell-off happened. So I actually did not have time to exit myself. So I did get stopped out on Solana as well. This could have been a smaller loss, but it is what it is. But that's the importance of like having a system and to get out when you actually plan to. So that one is on me. Now let's go to the positive news. So ENA, this was a great trade. I think we might have hit all TPs on this one, or at least up to TP2 entered this trade a week ago. So a very profitable trade. I'm pretty. I'll have to double check, but I think we hit TP3 on this one. Let me actually double check here. ENA, where is it? TP3 0.53. Did we get down there? Not quite 0.56. So we hit up to TP2. Radium. Radium, this is a profitable trade, probably up to TP2 as well now. Let's actually check here. Close 3.147. All right, so we're at, yeah, we entered on Friday. Let's see which TP did we get up to. It's Radium. Yeah, Radium TP2 at 2.7. We got down to 2.63. It's not quite to TP2, but TP2. That's pretty good. IO, this was a trade on the 8-hour time frame. We did hit all TP3s. I mean, all, yeah, TPs on this one up to TP3. So I'm out of this one. Great trade. Yeah, nothing more to say on this one. Let's see what else we have. So radium, ENA, IO. One more. So BNT. BNT we hit up to, I think, TP1 or TP, maybe TP2. Let's see. We got down to 0.64 cents. I think that's right near TP2. Let's double check here. See, where is it? Oh, Bancor. How do I spell this? Yeah, TP2 0.66. Oh, so we're at TP2 right now. Oh, almost TP3. TP3 was listed at 0.63. We got down to 0.6395. So almost there. Yeah, I'll keep holding this. Keep move your stops to break even. So really, we should be out of pretty much all the trades except for. Oh no, we're still in ENA. Waiting for TP3 on ENA, TP3 on Radium. We're out of IO. Hit all TPs. And then stopped out on Solana and Ace. And BNT, we're waiting on TP3 as well. So yeah, keep holding these, move your stops to break even, or even move your stops to the take profit points. I mean the TP1 targets, or even like set a trailing, or maybe even set a trailing stop loss. I think that would be a good idea. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. I think there might be some good buy the dip opportunities, and there are a couple of coins that are moving, against the rest of the market. So there are actually some coins that are up today that look interesting. So I don't think there's going to be any more shorts for today because the market is quite overextended to the downside. So I'm going to look at some buy the dip opportunities. So stay tuned for that. I'll post them, closer to 8 p.m. Eastern, as always. Anyway, for now, we'll end this, and yeah, hope you guys did well during this during this sell off. And if you didn't, then love to see another day. I think overall this isn't actually that. I think I've seen worse sell-offs. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. And I was actually not sharing my chart the past few minutes. So yeah, I was looking at BNT, and we're TP3 was like right here. We just missed it. Okay, I'm gonna end this now. I'm just rambling at this point.